Just a quick update, guys. I will be attending tonight a concert at the University of St. Louis, my beloved school, and I think there will be having a two bands and one artist. Yung pangalan ng bands is R, The River Maya and December Avenue, and an artist from Showtime, Mariel. And see you there, guys. Rock, rock, and nab!
Hello guys! Itim ko dyan, tama na. Gabi, nagputi ka nga yung damit mo eh.
Maputi daw yung damit mo lang. Tawin na naman sayang yung ticket. I-post natin sila sa i-call out natin sila sa Facebook.
Sige, call out mo na sila. Sino bumaba doon?
Oy, sayang yung mga ticket namin.
Huwag tayo pinasakay. Ilan sa'yo?
Refund to, refund.
Binash. Ayan. Sige na,
Hindi na kaya. Wala nga talaga.
tagal ng concert. Saan kayo po? Grabe naman, parang may tataguan ka. Ang dilim. Tagal kasi mag-start.